Now, victims of the October 20th, 2020 police crackdown on Endsars protests continued their pursuit of justice on Monday, nearly 5 years after the incident. Ahead of a key court hearing on a fundamental rights case, one of the protesters, Hassan Soweto, shared his side of what happened during the peaceful demonstration at the Lekki toll gate. The report. The 2020 #Endsars movement ended in arrests, injuries and outrage. In the aftermath of the incident, some of the victims are now back, but this time they are taking their case to court. Ahead of a court hearing on a fundamental rights case, Hassan Soweto, one of the victims of the October 20th, 2024, led a peaceful protest earlier on Monday against alleged police brutality and calling for justice and accountability within the Nigerian police force. The protesters are calling for all charges against them to be dropped, accusing the government of using the courts to silence dissent and intimidate citizens.
A trigger-happy team of the Nigerian police, led by the Commissioner of Police. There was no cause for the attack because in no way did those protesters constitute themselves as a threat to public peace or public order. Yet, under the instruction and leadership of the Commissioner of Police and the head of the Lagos State Police Task Force, CSP Akirele, these 22 protesters were brutally assaulted, molested, sexually harassed, and viciously beaten.
So we're here today to sue the Nigerian police and to also ask if, because we all know as Nigerians, it is our right, we all have the right to freedom of speech. We all have the right to express ourselves when our government, when they are not giving us what we want. We have the right to demand for good governance. So protest has never been a crime and it will not be a crime. So that is why we are here to demand for justice.
They almost killed me. I went to a series of scanning and tests in the hospital. I spent a whole lot of money doing that. The trauma in my head every day, like, should I run away from my country? Are the police meant to guide and protect us or to kill and destroy the laws of the land?
Every day, and police decide to come and brutalize us, molest us, to the extent of a woman putting hand in a girl's private part. Is that how you do your own search? And nobody is saying anything. We expected IG to have addressed this issue. And since it not addressed it, we are here today to get justice for them. And if they did not do it the way we want it, we'll show them another way that we think we can get it.
Nigerians be ready to say no to dictatorship, to say no to molestation, to say no to any authority that does not give you your right to behave like a human being.
They say they are determined to hold authorities accountable and to defend the rights of every Nigerian to speak out peacefully without fear.